Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to decorate the table for Valentine's. And most of the stuff I got from the Dollar Tree. And some of the items, that runner that I have in the middle of the table, that is actually something that I use for Christmas. I can't remember where I got that from. I'm pretty sure it was HomeGoods. If you've been watching me for a little bit, I probably get everything from HomeGoods. So I usually use that for Christmas. So I just decided to put it in there. It's like some fur. I wish I can show you guys how it looks up close. I totally forgot to pan the camera on there. And I got those plates from HomeGoods also. They were in the pack for $5.99 a piece. So they are disposable. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting a real glass plate underneath those plastic ones just to give it a little lift. And it just makes it look a little bit more expensive. I got these red table napkins from HomeGoods also. And the mats I got from HomeGoods. And you guys know anything you get from HomeGoods, it's not a link or anything. You just gotta grab it when you see it. And just in case you guys were wondering, we actually refurbished this kitchen nook table. So what I did was I took an old table that I had and we put the wood planks on top, those dark woods. My husband went to Home Depot and we just cut the wood down to the size we wanted for the look that we wanted for the table, just to make it look more of a farmhouse type table. The buffet that's sitting in the back there, that's actually an old dresser. And I just repainted it, and that's actually what I use to put all my table settings in, napkins, just things like that, so I can have it close. That's actually what I use that, because it has a bunch of drawers on it, of course, because it is a dresser that used to be in my husband's room. So all I did was use white chalk paint to paint the table and the buffet to make it all look the same. And I took a sander and I just kind of sanded some nicks in the chairs and on the table legs, and just to make it look worn. It actually turned out really good. Just in case you guys were wondering about that table. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. I got the 3-tier stand that's in the middle. I got that at HomeGoods also. The love sign I got from HomeGoods. So the hearts and the tinsel or stencil, that red thing running through the middle of the table. I got that from the Dollar Tree. So all I'm doing is putting some little hearts. I got some red and pink ones, and I got that all from the Dollar Tree also. This table was really easy to decorate. I just got some stuff from the Dollar Tree when I was getting the items that I used on the Christmas trees for Valentine's. I just picked up some stuff to do my tablescape. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up when I dance around. She loves the fact that those are flower petals. So this tablescape, I think, it would be good for a lot of people, and it's like I said, it's very budget friendly.
Moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
I thought I wanted to use those roses on the table, but I didn't end up using them. I just ended up making a bouquet out of them later on. I'm just putting flower petals inside the glasses. And then I took a rose off the stem and just placed it on top.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
And here in a second, you guys are going to see me put some muffins on that bottom tier. I got those muffins from Amazon, and those muffins look so real, and they actually smell so good. And I will link that below in the video in case you guys are interested in getting those. They come in a 6-pack. And I can't remember the price off the top of my head, but they are so cute. And usually what I will do is I will put them in a real cake glass, and people really think they're real. They are so cute. So guys, if you're watching my video and you haven't yet hit the subscribe button, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And to all my new subscribers, I just want to say welcome. Thank you. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for just wanting to rock with little old me. And I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for all my old subscribers, the people that have been with me since I've started uploading. Trust me, I see you guys in the comments, and I am so happy, and I appreciate all the support that you guys give me. You guys, thank you for liking and sharing my videos. And you guys, the videos are just, they're only going to get better from here. So just stay tuned and keep rocking with me. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. Put your body